What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So there's plenty of videos that I create on this channel talking about well-established cryptocurrency projects. Something like a XRP or a Bitcoin or Solana or even ones that are well-established meme coins like Grok or Bonk or something like that have hundreds of millions of dollars in a market cap, as well as hundreds of millions or even billions of dollars within volume. So we talk about those. We also talk about some that maybe not as well established, some things that are at maybe a two, three, four, $10 million market cap. But then there are others that are pre-sales as well. And I think pre-sales are very interesting because you can benefit a lot from pre-sales short term, but then there's also those pre-sales that you can benefit from long term. And I think we're trying to kind of weed out any of the ones that you will only benefit from short term, and then a lot of the ones that you will see massive amounts of benefits from by looking at maybe the use case a little bit and understanding what it's all about, understanding the popularity, understanding all of that there. Now, let's go into a pre-sale that just came across my desk, which is called Cali Chain. I don't know if you guys have heard of this at all, but it is something that is catching a little bit of eyes, a little bit of attention because it is a pre-sale. Pre-sales do catch a lot of attention, but for good reason. I mean, if you go in there, you're going to see some decent information behind what the project is, and it looks like they took a lot of work and effort in order to build everything out the way that they built it out. So we're going to go into this position. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, I'll have a link for HG Access down below, as well as my MargX link if you want to sign up for those. And don't forget about all the links that we will have for Cali Chain. If you guys want to, maybe get the scoop on exactly what's happening within the crypto market, again, HG Access is kind of the way to go, where you have various YouTubers ranging from 1,000 to 300,000 subscribers, and all of us coming together. We just recently had our first live stream, so definitely go ahead and check that out. But let's go ahead and look at Cali Chain, which has definitely been kind of interesting to look at. So I'm gonna go to the website. We're gonna bring this up really quick. So this is what the website looks like. Let's go ahead and shrink this down a little bit so you guys don't get overwhelmed with the size of the page. But experience authenticity in a new light with Cali Chain. Cali Chain is not just a blockchain solution for project certification. It is an innovative and diverse ecosystem that ensures a safe and reliable environment for brands and consumers. Dive into a platform where every product tells an authentic, verifiable story, safeguarded by Cali Chain's unwavering blockchain technology. With Cali Chain, explore a range of interconnected projects. Now, we will go into the ICO in a little bit, but let's go ahead and continue down here. Innovative features for overcoming contemporary challenges. So you have exploring the Cali Chain block. Explorer is a powerful and intuitive design tool, or tool designed to enable users to track and verify transactions on the Cali Chain blockchain. You also have Cali Cert, Cali Certif. At the heart of Cali Chain ecosystem, Cali Certif is an essential service for the certification of products and documents. Then you have Cali Market, or Cali's Market. Cali's Market is a borderless global marketplace where users can buy and sell products leveraging blockchain technology. Cali's Market offers a secure, transparent, and economical online shopping experience, reducing transaction fees and breaking down geographic barriers. You also have Cali's Pay. Cali's Pay is the integrated payment system facilitating cryptocurrency transactions with the Cali Chain ecosystem. You have Calicia. Cali Chain's flagship product exemplifies the capability of this technology to certify high quality products. It demonstrates the effectiveness of Cali Chain in the real world, offering tangible proof of blockchain's benefits for product certification. Then you have Cali Share. Cali Share, a tokenization project in real estate products and businesses offering a new way to invest and share real assets globally. So that's definitely an interesting piece. If you look at the partnership, you do have a partner with Google Cloud. So Cali Chain in the Web3 startup program. Effortlessly write and manage smart contracts, engage in a user-friendly platform where authenticity is not a choice, but a guarantee. Every product's journey is recorded, ensuring a reliable trading experience. Now, this is their ambition, right? Our ambition to rally millions of people of 1.8 million plus wallets, 58.3 million marketplace volume. You have 2.4 billion created assets and over 1,200 partners worldwide. So that's something that they do have their ambitions for. If we wanted to look at the tokenomics here, we're going to see how this is broken down. So we have the DApps. So DApp development 10%. The team will get 5%. Calicia project will get 7.5%. And you also see a little bit that is unlocked, 24.5 that goes towards liquidity and 50 that goes towards pre-sale. You also have the roadmap where in Q1 of 2024, they're looking to release Cali Share, then comes Cali's Pay, and then you're going to see Cold Wallet is developed in 2025. So let's get into a little bit of information behind the ICO. If you go over to the ICO, first, before we get into that, I think you guys need to go and check out their Twitter. Make sure you go and follow them on Twitter if you want to get a little bit more information about this. But again, I'll stop here and say that any pre-sale is, always has its risk. Any investments always has its risks. So I want to make sure that everybody understands that there are risks to every single investment, and that usually it's not just for the short term. When you see something that's developed that has a lot of information like this and a big big plan, large ambitions, you want to understand that it is a long-term solution. It's not something that is a short-term thing. But you can go ahead and check out their Twitter account and go and give them a follow. I'll give them a follow and see what they are doing in the future. Now, if you go and click on the ICO, if you scroll all the way up and you go to the ICO, it's going to take you to a page where you can set up your your ICO, your entry into the pre-sale, right? So it's basically going to tell you to sign in using your Cali chain account. All you have to do is create an account with an email address that you want. Now, typically when we look at a pre-sale, nowadays the pre-sale is like, hey, link your wallet, and we know that everybody and their mom will create a new wallet in order to do that, because of the fact that they just don't want to link their wallet to a website that's not that hasn't really proven itself yet. You know what I mean? So this is a different story where you are not seeing that. You're able to buy it, and the way that you buy it is basically by taking whatever you have. So you basically have a receiving wallet, and then you purchase it by sending the coins to that wallet or to that wallet address, the Cali's chain wallet address that they tell you, and then you will be able to receive the return coins from them. Now, I just recently did this. I took about $30 and I invested a little bit into it to see how everything works, because I wanted to test out the pre-sale process, just so you know exactly how to invest into it. But basically, if you go over there and once you do log in and get all set up, you'll basically go here and you'll go to buy a token. And as you go in here, you'll be able to buy with ETH, BNB, Trax, and USDT. And all you have to do is, buy whatever you wanted to buy. So if you have USDT or BNB, let's say you wanted to buy, 2,000 Calis is what the minimum is that you have to purchase, which is less than 0.1 BNB right now, because each Cali is worth, or Calis is worth 0.015 USDT, which we all know is pinned to $1. You would be able to buy the 2,000. You would get a little bit of a, sale bonus on top of that. But basically, as you're going to make the payment, you would click make this payment, and then basically you would have the payment is in process. You go to crypto right here. I don't want to click into all of this, but you go in there and then it's going to tell you, here's the address to send it to. You would go into your MetaMask, your Trust Wallet, whatever you have there, and then you would send it to that address. But make sure you also put wherever the address is coming from so that it speeds up the process. So for me, I ended up doing this just a few minutes ago, and it's not updated yet, but I did update this purchase this a few minutes ago with like $30. So we'll see how this all plays out. I'll keep you guys updated on it. But that's basically how you go through the pre-sale there. So definitely, I think you should give it a look because I like any project that is, in a pre-sale that puts this much effort into what they are doing, because it's not only like just Cali Chain, it's also, going into Calicia as well, and how much effort they put into all of this. And it seems like everything they have here is pretty much sold out. But you're going into here and basically having that proven technology of being able to use it, in the real world, right? As an example. So honestly, I think, again, you should give it a look. I think anything does have its risks, and I want you to understand that. I don't want anybody to just go in here and just invest everything that they possibly own. I don't care what the position is. It could be the most secure position in the world. You could be investing into Tesla or Amazon or something like that, or you could be investing into your own business. There's a lot of people that just don't go and put everything that they possibly own in on one thing. You got to be diversified as best as possible. So make sure you go and check it out. Give it a look. If you like it, read the white paper a little bit more, but don't just take it as this is all you need to know. There's a lot more that goes into it. You can go into the technology, you can go into the Loki paper, you can go into the white paper, and you can really understand it just a little bit more. But I can only explain so much within a 12-minute video. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you check out all of the links for, Cali Chain, Calicia, everything down below. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.